Gina, do my man.
You don't know my closing time.
I work away.
Aje.
Have fun now. So when you quick close for work, what happened, my bro?
Baba, I don't tire for this work. I don't even tell them, say, after today, I know they come again. I beg, they come beg me, say, if I go come out, my help, they find person who will replace me. I say, no, while I say, I go bring person for them. But may they pay me, I don't quit to be that.
I don't understand. Which one we don't tire for that work?
I wonder.
Work will be say, that they pay you good salary. And as a chef for the house, you dey chop anything when you like. Even the carrier extra take away the commerce. We me to survive. Hey! Bro, I don't understand you.
That's the only good thing about this work. If you dey work for there, you go see food chop, you carry food to come house, you are in charge of chicken every time.
Very good.
Apart from that, Ogwola.
It's man, I don't understand you. May not be like say village people want do you kalu. You know what? Plug me in. I want to do this job. I'm interested.
I for say make I put you in, but no, no go fit.
Bro, now I go fit to this work. You know what I can do. Now me teach you how to cook. You know that one before you call this job.
Bam.
Okay. So at least plug me in. It's better than me not doing anything. I've been jobless for long now, bro.
Just say you go fit do this work.
I swear to God. You don't know me.
No wahala. Don't join me now. More chop today now. There.
My man.
Tomorrow I'll carry you go there.
You know, I came prepared. Like that guy.
Now wow.
I know someone must jam food for your place.
That's what I feel.
Oh boy.
Now me cooker.
Who will cook? I know that attention now. Some of that family go miss you.
May they miss me,
Oh boy.
Sir, thank you for the opportunity you gave me to work for you and all the kind treatment. I really appreciate. And like I told you when I wanted to quit, that I will get you a new worker, and he's right here with me. So he will be in charge of your kitchen from today.
Okay. Young man, what's your name?
My name is Solomon, sir.
Solomon. Are you sure you know how to cook?
Oga, anything that has to do with cooking, leave it for me. My culinary skills is top notch. I taught him how to cook. You can ask him. Is he here now?
Wow. My dear, are you really sure you want to leave us?
Yes, my baby, go.
Chai, we will miss you.
So I've sent you all your benefits, so you don't have to worry.
Thank you, sir. I've seen it, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. So without wasting much time, Oni, please show him to the kitchen.
I don't understand. Since when that one starts now? What happened to your legs?
Oni, it's me or your husband.
I know it's you before now, and I'm not disrespecting you.
Come on, don't try me, I will slap you.
Did you shock me?
Don't play with me, I will slap you. I will remove your eye.
I want to be going.
Take that! Take care, oh.
This man, you know yourself.
Play.
Sit down.
I'm warning you.
You know me.
Money
You know
you.
me. You
I'll
know
kill
me.
you.
You know me.
God have mercy upon us.
You get up now. Are you?
What are you looking at? Stand up from there.
I'm sorry, sir.
Now, don't making my husband to shout at me. Move faster.
You leave. Don't let me enjoy you. You are better man.
There's something wrong with you.
There's something wrong with you. I told you to put on the edge. You said you are feeling.
So what are you doing?
I will enjoy you now. I want to go.
May not be like saying I wait till they take it.
Stupid man!
I will enjoy you.
There's something wrong with your head. You too small hand.
It's me. I will hurt you. I will bite you. Look at my face. Look at my face.
You.
You.
This is your mask. When I say stop talking, stop talking. Wow. Is it this small mask?
I will hurt you.
Regret the day I got married to
I will
you.
hurt you now.
Get to you. Hey, you. Just go back to the kitchen. Keep bring knife for me. Let me pay this man.
Go. If you dare.
What are you waiting for now? Get me knife. Let me unalive this man. This man want to choke him. I remove his intestine.
Go back here. God
help me.
Dare.
Oh, I will chuku you and remove all your intestine today.
Wait. Let me call you. Come here. Stand here. Kneel down here.
Oh, God.
You are disobeying my wife. My wife asked you to go and bring knife so that she can unalive me. You did not go. So you are funny stubborn.
Honey, don't worry. Leave him. Let him disobey me now.
This should be the first and the last time you try it. Anytime my wife asks you to do anything, do it before complaining. Always listen to my wife. Now, I'm going to teach you a lesson.
Mind your house.
Oni, you flog him 30 stroke.
You know now, you are the man of the house now. You flog him 30 stroke. You start it first.
Honey, now ladies first now.
I know, but you should flog him first.
It's like you are mad.
Me,
You are mad.
You have to start.
You are mad.
You have to.
You are started. I will get your help.
You get me water. Let me pound this head. Where is this boy? Get me water.
What?
What is your aim and objective?
Where is he?
You're asking me. You're asking me.
What has happened right now?
Hey.
Una mind no go touch ground. Una mind no go touch ground.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord.
Madam, hold on now. Why you go push me like that?
So we let's do this thing.
What shall be sorry if I stand and I go say I shower to get pay body?
Why are you shouting now?
You can't shower come hotel. You know go give her food chop. I mean they take empty belly the knack.
Are you not aware you are coming here to work? Are you not supposed to eat from here before coming here? Okay, let's do this thing, Jabe.
Madam, no food, no work.
It's fine. I've already ordered food and drinks for the both of us.
Very good.
At least first eat this one. Eh? Sorry.
Yes, coming.
Good day, sir.
Ah, good day.
Sir, I just wanted to know whether you were returning the room or you're checking out.
No. I dey come out, I not the return.
Okay, sir. I just want to remind you that the things you ordered yesterday and the champagne has not been paid for, sir. And the lady you came with, she took an extra takeaway and a champagne too. She said the bill is for the room, sir. Your total balance is 350,000 naira, sir.
Jesus. 350,000.
Yes, sir.
For a shower where they carry me till daybreak 25,000. I want to pay.
Boss, this is my first time working here. Oh. I can't pay that money with my salary because I'm the one on duty, sir. Please, maybe I should call my manager so that he can attend to you. Maybe call the police.
No. It's okay. Please just give me 1 minute. Let me just make call. Yeah? I beg. Hello? Guy, how far? I beg. I need your help. A day serious mess. The customer who carried me last night, the woman lose guard me. She not pay. I will tell the drumming money. Just help me with 100k, I beg. Thank you. Hold on, please. Hello, Owambi.
Hello, Solo?
Owambi, I beg, I need your help. I feel like 300k for your first.
Solo?
At least I will give you back once I come over here this.
No wahala now. Just give me a minute.
Correct. Thank you. God will bless you. Thank you. Please, your account number.
5820 Dion's Cottage. Yes, that's it.
I've sent the money.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Madam, good day. Well done, sir. Hey, madam. I no come hear from you again.
What I try to say?
Now, maybe the tailor where you say make her sew 6 senator natives for your husband. Those clothes are ready. I've been trying to call you. Your number not go.
Honey, so you wanted to surprise me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. You know I love you, right?
I know.
And I told you, in this world and in the next world, you always be mine.
But madam, you never pay me.
Hey.
Yes.
How much is it?
Just 2 million naira, sir.
Oh God, you are a thief. 2 million for another senator?
It's fine.
No, where is he getting the material from Ebu?
Oga, if you see the styles where I sew,
You are bad guy.
These ties are nice. You love it. Let me just pay. Don't worry. Please put in your account number.
this is not where your husband they call me thief. So, if I show a thief,
He doesn't understand. I've sent it. Please confirm.
okay, sin. Well done.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. When are you delivering my materials?
You go ask your wife. My daughter.
Baba.
Take this. You will take it to a 3 junction. You will put it there and go. I will do the remaining jobs at night. By tomorrow, you will receive a good news that your son has successfully crossed Libya to Italy.
Thank you, Papa.
You can go.
Thank you.
Ogana nyowe. Eh Jehovah nyowe o. Jesu yo, oh Jesu.
Hello.
Mommy. Good afternoon, ma.
My pikin, how are you? Good afternoon.
Hey, mommy.
You don't get Italy.
Hey, Olúwa ẹ ṣé o. Olúwa mo dúpẹ́ o. Ọlọ́run, thank you.
Mommy, guess what? As I just enter Europe, I just jam one Igbo woman. They pay me big money for that work.
Now God go bless that person for me. God go bless her well.
Mommy, I go send you money come for you. You go see that man when do that work for us. And then you still keep some for yourself. Maybe you take it enjoy.
Okay, no problem. I go do am.
So I did work now, Sha. If I close for work later, I'll call you. Bye bye. I say, may I inform you so I don't enter.
Okay now, bye. Mo dúpẹ́ mo fìyìn f'Olúwa. Gègé. Mo dúpẹ́ mo fìyìn f'Olúwa.
My daughter, you have been looking for me.
Yes, Daddy.
Hope there's no problem.
There's no problem, Daddy. I decided to just come and show you some appreciation.
For what?
Daddy, my son has finally crossed from Libya to Europe. As I'm talking to you now, he's in Italy.
Wow.
Yes.
That's good news. But I can't remember you and I discussing about your son traveling to Europe. Neither did we provide.
I know that one, sir. I know. But you know you are my spiritual father. My spiritual daddy.
Of course, I know.
That's why I decided to come and tell you and still appreciate you.
Oh,
yes.
All right. That's fine.
I have something for you. I still have your account number.
Oh, really?
Yes. Daddy, check your phone.
Wow. 3 million naira. My daughter, kneel down. Let me pray for you.
Wetin you say happen? Abi you thief?
Mama, you don't know pikin when you born again.
Me no know. I no come know again. Abi you? Wetin go happen now? Wetin happen?
Mama, nothing happened because this question wey dey ask me so I no even get answer to give. Now my working place I dey. As I finish work, they go house. Now I see police. They say make I stop. I stop. Now they carry their wahala come meet me. Say I'm under arrest. Wetin I do? They no gree tell me. They say like this Nigeria they go. May I choose whether I go jail or I go back to my country. Now so they deport me. Now I just dey here so.
Hey, my enemies are at work. Oh, my enemies. Hey. I dey come.
Mi de peri sewe wo mi nyowe.
Baba.
Mi da no mi ewe wo mi kewe.
Baba oh.
Ogele wuriri to dewe. Wo sire na body.
Baba, there's fire on the mountain. Baba, my pikin will go Italy. They don't deport him. Baba, beg help me. Beg.
Hey. Madam, where you got your help from was different from where you went to show appreciation. Yes, I'm aware. I brought him back to the country.
Papa. Beg.
You gave me 30,000 naira, which I used in preparing the things I give to you. But you went to give to a pastor 3 million naira for work that he did not do. Mother, you are wicked. You are very, very wicked. Give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. He pay me. He pay me.
awusha, ashawo, awusha, boom, boom.
Customer, check now.
Hey, easy. You. Yes.
Me?
Yes, you. How much for a night?
I'm around 30K for one night too.
Can I pay you 300K?
But I bet no face. Where your motor?
I didn't come with a car. I came by myself.
You no get car. And you won't pay me 300,000 for the night.
It's nothing.
No, Wala, deal.
Hey,
No shaking.
Hey, your account number.
Mommy, see
I'm sorry for all of you, sir.
What bank?
Come pay.
Saints, you can check.
Madam, we go. Okay. Okay. Respect, eh? Is you?
Okay.
You're welcome to my house.
Wow.
But why you go throw me like that for bed?
Calm down. Calm down. I'll be very easy. Calm down.
Now because you pay better money. Madam. This woman come out, she no tell me. Where are my boss house? Eh? Wait.
Your eyes will see what your mouth cannot talk.
We enter. Abi? She pushed me enter bed. I can't change her for her. I can't calm down. Then I can't pull my trouser, pull my boss house. Put them for here. Where my boss? Men don't be with how they think.
Just the play.
Make it not be waiting I dey think. Make I make her first.
Hello?
The calculation.
How far now?
You remember that one we carried me yesterday, Abi?
Uh-huh.
I wake up this morning, I no see her. Okay, make I dress up me and come out. I no see my boss house.
Wait, how much that woman pay you yesterday?
Na 300K she pay me.
I took her. Woman trek come. She no carry motor. She tell you say she won't pay you 300,000 naira for a night. That one not tell you something. The ritualist be that. Now then they do that kind of thing. See, this call drop and not they worry me.
Abi, she don't use me.
Boy, ask your grandfather.
SK, remove the wire. Go. Remove the pole too. Come out the pole. Enter. A NEPA.
Never.
Yeah.
Come inside, let me see you.
Okay. Move.
I'm your colleague. I've retired since 2002.
Oga, you the old light bill since 2002. Now you pay like.
Let me see the record.
Ma show you record, Abi.
Yes, let me see the
everything there for a year. See, now you be this since 2002.
Have you spoken to James Akulagba?
Oga, leave that talk. Show me James Akulagba. Guy character be down. Check the record. Beg.
Please check my record. And besides, there's no light here. Since I packed.
You very bad person.
You
You be bad person, how you be?
What do you not believe that? You don't know say that generator will take the power never transformer for office. If I'm not retired, I don't know.
I don't understand.
I'm gonna cut lights and
Go come out the light.
I better go show me where your disconnection.
I'm using prepared, please.
I go see him now. Okay, come on.
And where are you going?
Go show me your disconnection board, bro. Character.
I don't understand.
Bra.
I know it's a senior colleague here.
I will scatter everywhere.
And who is the senior colleague here? Where are you going, man?
Bro. Not because of this ass talk to me anyhow. Not do amo. One now do the work before I retire. So you don't know say you go save money to pay before. You go use free lights. You go use free lights.
Since 2002.
Oga, go show me your disconnection board.
Victor! Victor! Mr. Man, where are you going?
Bro, let them make a calm down. You don't make this work to tire me. I like these people. We need to discipline them. We need to discipline these people.
Hey, come on.
You can't do it with that one.
What's
You don't all like this, you go pay. If you don't pay, we'll disconnect them. It's a big bad for me.
This is playing.
And you say what?
We fix light for this man. This man, you I'm gonna touch you.
Let's start from my part. You don't mad? You don't say come on. Let's start. You don't mad? Okay, now don't cut this light, Abi. Make come inside, make come cut the bypass. You do well. Follow me. Don't cut the bypass.
God have the
bypass.
bypass.
You check the paper. Don't cut the bypass.
Okay, so let's check the paper.
I go slap you. Don't cut the bypass.
Don't be me now. Don't be me.
But I bet you go do fast, make you come on. Time no day. Now time I take a walk. I walk with time.
Just stay calm. All right, I got this for you. Drink so that you know that energy in you. I need it.
Madam, I do okay, you know what? I did fine.
At least eat the food. I got it for you.
Madam, I say I do okay. I did fine. Moreover, I need a chop for customer house. I did okay.
See, I don't want me person picking come fence for my house. Eh? Oh yeah, eat now.
Madam, now your time they waste too. Now your time they waste. If I start now, I go say I shall go to the get pepper body.
Do you care to join? I have extra one.
Madam, I know they smoke. I do okay.
Why you they dumb my spirit now? Eh? You just they dumb my spirit. See, now these things like they ginger me. That go give me that vibe. Why you just they dumb my spirit?
Madam, everything one need to take do this work, they the body already. I don't need to add join. More do this man they come out. Customers they wait.
More they go. Baby, please help me to put the wristwatch.
Which kind of nonsense with that one? Eh? The day Sasha will do romance.
You're not even romantic.
You say? Shall we dey romantic, never ready for the work. Madam, I climb bed, come meet me. Oh, customer, why you stop? Why did you stop?
I know the feel now.
What do you mean by that?
I know the feel that vibe. You see that thing where you wear so? Make I for feel am naturally.
Then I come out to tell you. Madam, I no go fit. I swear, I no go fit and I no go try am. Madam, see, I be a shawo. If you no fear, say I go give you sickness. Me, I dey fear, say you go give me sickness.
Why you talk like this now? Okay, I will increase your money to 500k.
Madam, I no risk am. I no try am. If you no go fit do one like this, may you leave am.
Stand up.
What's it with that?
Get out.
I said get out! Take your things. Don't you ever come close to this house again. Not even an inch. I don't want to see you. Etsy! Etsy! Get this man out of this house. Get out!
Oga, this place no good for night, though. So I won't do am now.
I know.
Okay, I go help you. You go follow me, come sleep for my room. Tomorrow morning you come out. Then my madam no see you.
Thank you. Where they stay far away. God will bless you.
For you na fine boy, yo.
Which kind talk with that?
Okay, come here, we go out.
Come on, you have my body. Still worry you. Gabriel.
My name no be Gabriel. My name Nightim.
No worry. I'll go out this night.
Honey, one useless man just bashed my car. Yes, not far from our junction. Please come and meet me there. You are very stupid, Mr. Man. You are telling me sorry. See what you did to my car. See the way you bent it.
It's just a man.
Shut up! After they will say I've started feminism, women want equal rights. What's your problem? Are you blind?
Madam, you don't do. We see am. You only supposed to slap on your guy. Na small but no dey thank God say.
Shut up! Go back first. Una move come off my side. If una normal today buy car, this type of car no be this one. Una no open and use.
Why you go slap man? He say no go fix am for you.
What's the minor budget? Say I will fix am.
Did I call you? Oh, so wait. It's not enough that you bash my car. You called them to come and beat me, abi?
Bros, you see what happened now?
Get away from here! Ekoshi! Ekoshi kuwe ebo shege àwọn akushe. Ekoshi kuwe!
But then why you do like Madam! It wasn't. No! Sir, it wasn't intentional. Please. No. I won't take this. Ha! No man. Sir.
No, listen what you want to say here. Beat this. I don't like it. Like beating.
Okay, sir. By the time I'm done with you, yes, sir, you will know that nobody toys with my wife. Yes. Okay, sir. Let me tell you. Okay, sir. You just stepped on the wrong thing. Okay, sir. By the time I'm done with you. Yes, sir. You wouldn't put it on yourself again. Okay, only leave this out for me. Sir, it wasn't intentional. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. You are a stupid man. Yes, sir. Come here. Yes, sir. Leave this man for me. Yes, sir. Sir. I know it's an honest mistake. Yes, sir. Oh, let's say to this amicably. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, if I have even been begging her since, so I have been begging her, she refused to listen to me. Before I knew it, she slapped me. Slapped you? Yes, sir. She even insulted me, insulted my family. There's nothing she didn't say to me. I will finish it. I will scatter his back. I will break this line. I will remove his two front teeth. Do I call me gorilla? My stupid man. Yes, sir. Sir. On behalf of my wife. Yes, sir. I apologize. Yes, sir. Don't be offended. Yes, sir. Sorry my wife slapped you. Yes, sir. You know what happened? No, sir. You have to play along with me. Okay, sir. Yeah, you play along with me. Okay, sir. Zoom off, okay? Okay, sir. Just play along. Okay, sir. Play along with me. Yes, sir. My stupid man. I am, sir. My fool. You are bad guy. You tell me what I you are in your entity. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Enter this car. Okay, sir. I will finish you. Yes, sir. Then you will know you don't devil. Yes, sir. No. I'm not the car. Okay. Start your car. Let's go to the mechanic. Somewhere. You are gone. What? Yes, sir. Child. Here is bottle.
Wonderful! Brother, what's it be this? What now you dey watch, brother? Now God go punish you. You say what you tell my brother to be?
Which one shall come from you?
Focus on the under. No, they look me with that bad eye. They look because if I stand up for here, you not go like him. Focus.
God have mercy upon us.
You are a mumu man.
In wife, now be in problem when they get.
But the house will not reach. Me don't tire.
See the house here. See the house for here. Now house be this.
And my brother get this house.
Yes. Now here and the wife, now they stay this house.
Jesus.
He shot you.
Hey.
Come now, if you reach there, you go there proud of your brother.
But I'm not fast. I'm not quiet.
If you say money no good, check yourself. Something is the matter. You can be typhoid.
Who's my brother? Brother! say you dey give my husband girls for outside.
Oh.
Now this one, they give my husband, Abi. You bring wife for my husband, for my own house, Abi.
My younger sister be this.
Younger sister.
Yes.
And so. Younger sister and so. So now the wife phone I say marry, not be this. Not be small thing, no. Brother, they say everything for us, now you they do am. True. Now lion you put for us. You don't see him now. What do you want to do? Wonderful. Brother, what be this? Jesus. Now you the what, brother? Now God now go punish you this way. Now God now go punish you. Hey, what do you tell my brother to fix? Hey!
Rich ones and come from Rich ones and
Stop now!
They go punish you.
No, oh, you are embarrassing my wife.
No, you say yes. Your sister for her, Sabi. You say yes. Okay, anything you go fit do. No, shut up!
Oh.
This is better go step by squatter.
I thought you not to do that. So that me and you go share it. You see the fuck up? You see them making it up?
You will handicap.
You not go to your feet, dude. So now, she go come out.
Yes.
Your sister go come out. Your sister go come out, not just one.
We must learn a lesson.
Now, match you there for my brother house. You turn out to house boy.
Oh.
Yeah. But I said, what's your face be this?
Thank you.
You know what happen? Never. So, come on, show me my room. Go show me my room.
Brother. Finally, the Lord has vindicated you.
You not go fit do anything.
Finally, the Lord has done it. Finally.
You not better person now. You know the fact. Marriage is sweet. I enjoy this food you cook for me. But meanwhile, I beg, no beat my brother again. Let me the only boy who will get as you see us. Oh, pass better message, give my mama. I beg.
I promise you. We not fight again. Trust me.
My word.
Happy back and well.
I love you, my love.
Okay. 70 years old man.
I need to go do other things, my sister. Thank you,
Safe journey.
I beg go. Muna take off for myself.
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Suffer.
Yeah, my
Breathe
love.
them from you.
Well. Now, bye-bye, yo. Brother Solo.
Sister, agree, mommy.
Okay, for sure. Bye-bye, yo.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See,
as I dey look you now, if I face you reach inside that house, you won't finish.
Sister,
Jesus!
He don't leave me.
Jesus! Now, your problem starts.
Hey!